Hi, good evening. My name is Oluwashola Okoya. I am Sage 50 accounting software automation expert. The last time we met, I showed you on how to create company accounting book on Sage 50. Not only that, I showed you how to create chart of accounts, that is general ledger, when you want to begin to enter transaction data into the software. Tonight, I'm going to show us on how to create customer information on Sage 50. All of this is still about setting up Sage 50, in order for us to be able to use it later. If you have not watched the first one on how I showed you how to create a company chart of account, the videos are available. You can go watch the video, on request. Tonight, like I said, I want to show us how to create customer information. Without wasting much of our time, let's go into it straight away. Now, this is Sage 50. We are talking about, using accounting software to track information of company. And the company we are dealing with is called Digitech Learning. That's the name of the book. So to do that, you go to maintain, click on maintain. Maintain is where you set up information, details about your customer, about your vendors, chart of account, budget, and the rest. But our concentration tonight will be on how to create customer information. Click on customers and prospects, and a form to fill will appear. So this is the form to fill. So to fill the form, I'll be getting the information that I need from an Excel. So let me go back to Excel, where I'm going to fish out information from. Now, we want to create information for these two customers, Adesola Olagbaju and Timothy Jumbo. So let's start with Adesola Olagbaju. So Sage 01, you copy this and put it here. Then the name is Adesola Olagbaju. Copy this as well. Put it here. That's the name of the customer. Then the address, the billing address of the customer, you have to put it Paradise Estates. Number 2, Omolade Close. So you start that as well. Paradise Estates, Omolade Close. Understand? You can put the rest information here too, because this place too is available for you to use. Lakwe, Ibegileki, Lagos. Lakwe. So let me remove Lagos from here. I'll stop in Lekki, Ibegileki. I will put Lagos here. Lagos here. Lagos. And then here, I'll put Nigeria. I'll put Nigeria here. Let me make it smaller later. Nigeria. So, customer type. Customer type, that is, you can put the customer type, what the customer is buying from you. Customer type will be Sage 50, because actually this company is about a service company where you train, where we train our customers, we sell software and all that. So what this customer comes to do is to come for Sage 50 training. So we want to rank this customer among the customer that are Sage 50 type. So telephone number of the customer. Telephone number of the customer. It's this. I put it in the telephone 01, telephone 1. Then you can put in other telephone number as well. Put in other telephone number as well. Telephone 02. The customer does not have fax. So let's go straight away to email address. Customer has email address. So this is the customer email address. I'm going to copy. V. It doesn't have a website. So this is information that we have about the customer. Also, you can decide to customize, some information that you want to see, that you want to particularly see about the customer. In this case now, the customizable field that we are looking at is in terms of the WhatsApp number of the customer and the email address of the customer. But as you see on Sage 50, we have not customized it. So you can come to this place and click customize this field for your business. So I want to customize it. So I'll call this place now. I'll call it WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. And I'll call this place email. You need this information to be able to follow up with the customer. So I don't need this one. I don't need this one too as well. So I only need 2 customizable fields. So I'll click OK. So I'll click OK. It will not show because I just directly, customize from here. But this information that I have, let me save it. I've saved this information now. Let me close this as well. Let me close it. Okay, so that's the first information. Let me close this Excel sheet as well. Let me go back to Sage 50. Then let me recall the customer again. Maintain customer and prospect. That's where you set up your customer information on Sage 50. Then, if I want to recall the customer that I've saved before, I can come here or from this list. So let me click from this list and double click on this highlighted name. Brought back, the customer, and the field that I customized now as shown. So I can now decide to put the information for this customer here. So let me go back to my Excel to bring out the information that I have in there. The same number, go to copy. Control V. I'll go back to Excel again. The email address. The email address is Adesola Olagbaju at gmail.com. At gmail.com. So I copy it. I take it to this email address. And now the reason why I'm doing this is just to show you how to use further fields of Sage 50, to create information for that customer. So you can see now that I've created this customer information, then I will save it again. I can say save or click save and new, to put the other information. Okay, let me click save and new. So the information had gone. So I have created the customer information on Sage 50. That's how to create customer information on Sage 50. Now, I want to do another one more example for us to be able to understand it deep down as I've done it. So let me go back to the Excel sheet. So for this customer, for this new customer now, his name is Timothy John Boo. But this one, Timothy John Boo, the kind of training that he actually requested for or he did was on QuickBooks. So I'm using my customer ID to be QuickBooks 01. QuickBooks 01. To copy. Control V. Then I copy the name also, Timothy John Boo. I put it here as well. Then the billing address is this. It's Wiki Road Pipeline. There's not yet finished. It's Port Harcourt, River State. So I copy it. I go to Sage 50. Put it here. So I will River State. I will take it out from here and I'll put it in this city. I'll put it here. Rivers. Then country, Nigeria. Then customer type, I think it's QuickBooks, not Sage 50. Okay, it couldn't take everything in it. Okay, let me just put it as let me just shorten it. QuickBooks. That's the customer type. The telephone number is this. Timothy only has one telephone number, so I'll put it there like that. Okay. It doesn't have second number, doesn't have part for the Yas email address. I'll just copy the email address. Copy like that too, as well. Put it here. It doesn't have website. So the email address and the WhatsApp number, I have to put it there for customizable field. You can put any other thing. It's not necessarily has to be this, but for the sake of the training, I just want us to track the WhatsApp number and the email address of the customer. So I go to WhatsApp number, I put it there, the email address, I put it also like that. So with this, I have created two customers. I have created, two customers on Sage 50. And if you have to create more than, two customers or one customer, that is the process you are going to follow. Okay, so that is how to create, that's how to create a customer on Sage 50. You save and new. Okay, so I haven't done that. So I close all this information. So what I've created as shown in the report, I'll show you that in the next video. Thank you.